planning. So if you see that gap coming, you think, I think that gap's big enough, I'll start to creep now. You're already moving into it.
Yeah.
What could this black car now do though, Ellie?
What?
Open door, it's just parked.
Oh.
Psychic. Make sense?
Yeah.
So when people pull in,
Slow down.
make sure that door's width away. Yeah?
Ellie's answer was also a good one. It could very well have moved off, but probably not in this scenario because it was way too close to the car that was in front of it.